Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorials I'm going to talk about Duda membership options. So if you started building a website with Duda and very beginner, then you can continue this video. So let's get started. So you can see that I have logged in my Duda account and right now on the edited mode one of my website, and here in the left sidebar option named membership. So if you want to add membership feature in website, then Duda is perfect for you. Here you can run your membership subscription based business following using this Duda membership feature. Okay, so I have click on the membership, then this pop-up open, and from here we can set up all the membership options. First of all, I have to set up membership plan. So you can see that I have no plan right now. Also there is membership settings. I can settings membership here, choose how to approve member, automatically approve all requests, manually approve by email. So there are two options. We can select anyone, members only site. We can set the while website for members. Without any members no one can access our website. Also here is more settings. For example, business info, I can add my business name, business address, regional settings, time zone and supported currency. Also payment gateway, I can set up the payment gateway from settings. I can use Stripe, PayPal Express. Then here shipping option, we can add also shipping option from here. Then here is the tax option, so add tax zone and tax rate from here. So all the settings under all the option are under the settings. Then go back to membership. From membership we can set up membership plan and site membership. So if we want, we can invite any members directly from here. Just add their email, then send invite. Also we can set up the plan from here. So I click on the membership plan, then click new plan. Then here we can add member new plan name, description, assign page, which page will be accessible by members. For example, I want to select the service page will be for members. Okay, only member can visit or access this page. Then we can choose a plan type, free or paid. For paid we can choose a billing cycle, weekly, monthly, yearly, and here the price, for example weekly or monthly price. Then click on the save. So this is so easy. Okay, and I hope you understand total process of the membership and membership feature. You here will get all the order details. So it's super easy to create a membership or subscription based business with Duda, and it will be fast and very organized platform for you. So I hope you understand, and I believe you have already started your business with Duda. Even if you need any service relevant Duda website builder, then you can contact with me and hire me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.